Class 10th. Today I am going to explain you unit 3rd of banking. Okay. The name of unit is utility services of a bank. Here bank offers different types of services like locker facilities, DD facilities and different RTGS, NEFT transfers, e-banking, etc. and etc. Okay. So the first topic is remittances through DD. DD, the full form of DD is demand draft. Remittances means transfer. It means transfer of amount from one account to the another is known as remittances. Okay. What do you mean by DD? DD is a type of negotiable instrument used by the bank. It is a type of negotiable instrument. What is negotiable? Negotiable means that instrument which guarantees the payment of money to a certain payee. Okay, payee कौन होता है? The person who actually receives the payment. Okay. So next we switch to the definition of demand draft, where demand draft is a type of negotiable instrument used by the bank where the bank directs the payment of certain amount of money to the drawee bank on behalf of certain payee. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? It means DD में एक बैंक क्या करता है? डायरेक्ट करता है किसको? अनदर बैंक और इट मे बी इट्स ओन ब्रांच ऑल्सो. ठीक है, या तो अपने ब्रांच को या अगर कस्टमर चाहेगा तो दूसरे ब्रांच को भी. ओके, ऑफ अनदर बैंक. क्या डायरेक्ट करता है? टू पे सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन फेवर ऑफ अ पेई. पेई कौन होता है? द पर्सन हु रिसीव्स पेमेंट. ओके, यानी कि नेगोशिएबल क्या है? डिमांड ड्राफ्ट क्या है? इज अ टाइप ऑफ नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. ओके, let's take an example. Actually DD is used between the unrelated parties. Unrelated parties or unknown parties. It means ऐसी parties जो कि unknown है एक दूसरे को. ठीक है, तो उनके बीच में DD यूज होता है. Why? Because DD is one of the most secured mode of payment. क्यों? Because जो ड्रॉवर होता है, जो बनाता है DD को, उसको पहले पैसा जमा कराना होता है. He had to get the money deposited in the bank or either he had to pay the cash also for the making of DD. तो इसमें क्या होता है? पेई जो कि पेमेंट रिसीव करेगा, he does not suffer from any fraud or counterfeit. ठीक है, let's take an example. Let's take an example that here is A and here is B. B is the institution and A is the person, student. He wants admission in institution B, where institution B accepts payment through the DD. It means B wants A to get issued DD on behalf of B. It means यहाँ पे A कौन होगा? ड्रॉअर होगा जिसको DD बनवानी पड़ेगी. And institution B is a payee जिसके फेवर में DD बनाया जाएगा. Okay? And ड्रॉई कौन होता है? ड्रॉई बैंक होता है जो कि DD बनाता है. Okay? It means three people are involved: drawee, drawer and payee. Okay, this is the safest mode of payment. However, check is totally unsafe mode. Not totally unsafe mode, but it is more secure than check. How? For check, the check may be dishonored. मान लो अगर यहाँ पर check के through payment लेता भी, हो सकता था कि इसका एडमिशन हो जाता, but जैसे ये चेक डिपॉजिट करने जाता तो हो सकता है चेक में भी डिसऑनर्ड, अकाउंट में पैसे हो ना हो. ओके, बट यहाँ पर क्या है? डीडी है तो इनको पेमेंट मिलनी ही मिलनी है. इट मीन्स देयर इज नो काउंटरफीट इन केस ऑफ डिमांड ड्राफ्ट. हाउएवर देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ काउंटरफीट. काउंटरफीट मीन्स फ्रॉड इन केस ऑफ चेक्स. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वी मूव टू द टॉपिक दैट इज ई बैंकिंग. E-banking क्या है? E-banking, in the process of facilitation of e-banking in the whole economy, RBI plays a pivotal role. Why? Because IBI directs the other bank to motivate the customers for having e-banking facilities in their accounts. Okay? क्या क्या उसका benefit होगा? Overall economy develop करेगी. The transaction can be done very fastly as compared to offline banking. है ना, जहाँ आपको अगर पैसे ट्रांसफर करने from one account to another, you have to visit bank, you have to draw slips there and do several things, but in e-banking facilities you can easily do with your mobile phones. Okay, there are different functions. Like first one is convenience. Convenience means it is very convenient. You can easily be at your home and you can do the transactions of the bank. Next is better interest rates. Bank also offers a lot of better interest rates in e-banking. Another is various services are also provided under e-banking facilities, like if you want SIPs, investing in SIPs or in mutual funds, the bank all automatically deducts the amount from your account. Okay, और उससे क्या होगा, आपको एक तरीके की सर्विस भी मिलेगी इन e-banking. Okay, next is mobility. It means it is very flexible, you can do it with any phone. Okay, next is environment friendly. Environment friendly how? It means if you have to transfer money, you have to draw the slip. Slip is made of paper and paper is made from tree. It means if in e-banking there is no involvement of paper, very low cost of payment means there is no involvement of paper, means it is totally environment friendly. Next, low operating cost. It does not involve huge cost of operation, है ना. नेक्स्ट है लो इंसिडेंस ऑफ एरर्स. एक्चुअली मैं ये आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि ई बैंकिंग में बहुत ही लो इंसिडेंस होता है एरर्स का. हाउ? जैसे मान लीजिए आपको अगर चेक ड्रॉ करना था, आपको जो भी अकाउंट नंबर था आपका वो 90 था, बट आपने उसको 09 लिख दिया, तो क्या होगा, ये तो गलत ट्रांजेक्शन हो जाएगा. देयर इज चांसेस ऑफ एरर. बट इन ई बैंकिंग व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू firstly fill all the details of the account in which you have to transfer the money. और अगर वो सारी details match नहीं की, then the transaction get cancelled. So there is very low or very low incidence of errors under the e-banking system. Okay. Next, you draw all these facilities and you make proper definition of demand draft. Then you actually write down the parties that are involved in demand draft, and after that write a short note on e-banking and all these advantages of e-banking. Next, only this much, and in next class I will tell you about RTGS payment, NEFT transfer, NECS. Okay, and only this much is there.